Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, Chem with Jax. I am your boy, Jax, the chemist. Today is so awesome because I'm going to be starting a new series called Chem in Your Kitchen. So these are experiments that you can do safely and at home at little to no cost to you. So this first experiment is all about snow. So it is winter time here in Texas, and unfortunately we do not get any snow, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make some here today. So 3 things you will need for this experiment are really important. So you'll need a container. It could be a bowl, a cup, anything that you have at home. You need some water. So 1 cup of water to be exact for this experiment specifically, though that I'm going to show you how to do. And third, you need the ingredient for our snow, which is sodium polyacrylate, or Insta Snow. You can find it on Amazon for sure. I bought mine on Amazon, or Walmart. I've seen it at Walmart too. Let's get started. Oh, safety first. There we go. Okay, so here is my container. There it is. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of our Insta Snow or sodium polyacrylate. So here's 2 tablespoons. There we go, that looks good. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a salt or like a sugar. I'll touch it for you and describe it for you. Definitely feels like salt or sugar. It's not, so do not eat this. Never ever eat this. Alright, so here it is. The last thing we need now is some water. There we go. So this is a cup about, I filled it up a little bit more. Before we add it, just a side note at home, you can definitely add some food coloring to this. I'm personally not going to do it because I want it to be a white Christmas. But yeah, before you add your water, you can dye your water any color that you want, but I'm personally not going to do it today. Ready? Now we're going to add our water to our Insta Snow. Ready? In 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so this is so cool. I'm going to go ahead and put my hand inside and touch it for you. It definitely does feel a little cold. Remember, we started with a little tiny, like, fine line of a powder, and it just grew to this awesome white fluffiness or snow. Alright, so it's definitely soft, it's squishy now. Most important thing though, as soon as I take out my hand, none of that liquid water is still there. So that is because the sodium polyacrylate actually absorbed our water. I love this so much. Things you can find sodium polyacrylate in around, everyday life. Baby diapers actually have this polymer in them. Other things you can find sodium polyacrylate or Insta Snow in are some certain hygiene products. You can find it in gel as a thickening agent. If you were to add a lot of water to this, it would actually start to feel like gel or like slush before it gets to a gel type of texture. So this was our snow demonstration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Play around with it. Add more water, add less water, use different types of food coloring. Comment what you do below. I really want to know what you guys are experimenting with at home. But yeah, if you guys like this one, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want. I'll be back with some more awesome experiments for you guys. I'll see you soon. Have a happy holidays. Safety first.